today I'll be doing a slime tutorial. If you haven't subscribed and turned on the notifications bell, let's get started. The first slime that I'm going to show you guys is my marshmallow slime. It is really soft and white and stretchy. It's not that stretchy, but it is stretchy, really stretchy, and it doesn't smell that good, but it's white, so that's why I named it marshmallow slime. And it's like it can make really good bubbles. And yeah, let's get on to the next slime. Okay, so the next slime is my strawberry scented slime. It smells really good, and it is pink like strawberries. Strawberries are really red, but pink is like red. This is like red. So it's like strawberries. And it is really, 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 really stretchy. It's probably my stretchiest slime ever in the whole entire universe. Let's get on to the next slime before I stick with it. The next slime is my letter bead slime. Why it's called letter bead slime is because there's letter beads in it. And it is really stretchy. It's kind of sticky. And yeah, it's not really that stretchy because all the letter beads in it makes it not stretchy. It's hard to get out, but not when you have a tool. You can always use a tool to help you get slime out, and it really helps. If you have really non-sticky slime, it will not stick to your tool. My slime is not that sticky, so it doesn't really stick to this knife. Yeah, I'm trying to get it out. I don't know what knife this is. It's like a weird tool to help you really well. Okay, got half of it out. Almost all of it. It's not really half, more than half. Yeah, and it's not that stretchy because all the letter beads make it not stretchy, like not really like my other slime. But if there is no letter beads in it, it would be really stretchy. It is really stretchy, but like not that stretchy. Let's get on to the next slime. Okay, so the next slime is my foam bead slime. This slime is really stretchy. It's like my other slime, just, but it has foam beads in it. Very squishy. I squished one. It's hard to squish the foam beads. Let's get on to the next slime. Before I die, slime. Okay. The last and final slime I'm going to show you guys is my orange putty. And it's not that stretchy, but it's stretchy. And I like putting it around my hand. And yeah, it's I also love making swirls with all of my slime. Yeah, with all my slime. I have more slime than this in the container, but I'm not gonna show you guys today. I will show you guys next year. No, not yet next year. Maybe next week. I'll do another slime tutorial with not this slime, just the other slime that I have. I love you guys so much, and comment down below which one was your favorite, and bye. Peace out.